Hello friends and welcome back to the Reclision channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZALMAN ALPHA2 DS series including cooling, display and ARGB fan. So friends, ZALMAN has rolled out the new edition of its all-in-one water cooling solution with ALPHA2 DS series. The unit will be available from purchase from 25 April. So friend, the Alpha 2 DS series is the inclusion of 2.73-inch IPS LCD display embedded in the water block, providing user with flexibility to customize the PC appearance while keeping track of system performance. And the display is not adjustable in angle, but it also features a magnetic attachment system, repositioning inside the case. And the Alpha 2 DS series is designed to accommodate a variety of setup with two radiator size 240 model and larger 360 version, and both models are available in black and white color option, providing aesthetic choice that can match a wide range of PC cases. And the cooling fans that come with three and the cooling fans that come with this unit are 120 ARGB LED fan, which contribute to both cooling efficiency and the overall visual appeal of the system. So friend, the Alpha 2 DS series also offers ZAMAF120R ARGB fans, and this fan feature a reverse blade design known as the shark fin blade, which help reduce vibration and turbulence and further enhancing their cooling performance. And the fan are available in black and white color option and feature a rotation speed of 800 to 1500 rpm, delivering an air volume of 46.6 cfm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.